Hey guys, welcome to this SketchUp for Beginners course. I know, as a beginner, it is too difficult to learn SketchUp on the internet, especially from someone who is too fast in it. And that's why I have created this SketchUp for Beginners course for you. In this course, I'm going to guide you step by step how to use the different tools in SketchUp. Also, we are going to look how these tools will benefit you in real-life projects. As a project, we will be designing an outdoor space from scratch. We will also see how to design things in order to always stay organized. So, after this course, you will have a great foundation and you will feel more confident using and designing with this software. I'm also going to take you guys through the installation process in order to get it 30 days for free. So, the course is divided into 5 sections. For more information, make sure to check the course description and see you soon in the course.